Hey guys, my name is Floris and today I would like to present you the brand new KIQ II. The KIQ comes in two versions, KIQ II and the KIQ II Pro. I'll be showing you the Pro version today. Let's go ahead and see what's in this box. The first thing you'll probably notice is this little box right here. Inside, you'll find a user manual, a charger, two handlebars, and the Allen key. Also, there's a battery bag in the box. That won't be there if you bought the regular KIQ II. Make sure to register your scooter to activate the warranty at kickscooter.com/guarantee. You will find this link on the last page of the user manual as well. Now, let's take the bad boy out of the box. But be careful while doing this. The scooter is not locked in full, so if you don't lift it out by the footboard, it might fall open. As you can see, the KIQ II has an extremely robust frame. The frame is made of aviation grade alloy, making it strong yet light. Now the first thing that makes the scooter so special and different from the regular KIQ II are the 10-inch air tires. These will make your ride smoother than any scooter on the market. The 350-watt motor is located in the front wheel. The KIQ II has a triple brake system, EBS, disc brake on the back and an additional fender brake. On the fender you will also find the fold lock. Now, let's assemble the scooter together. The assembly is fairly easy, but there are a few things to take caution of. First, let's take the Allen key and fasten the brake handle. Push it up to the bolt and fasten it. Be careful not to tighten the screw too much. Next to the brake handle, you'll find a little bell to let others know you're passing. Now, the handlebars. It's very important to make sure you place the left and the right handle on the corresponding sides of your steer. We have them made this way to make it impossible for you to unscrew the handlebars while riding. If you screw them on the wrong side, it will damage the screw thread, which is not covered by the warranty. Unfold the scooter by pushing down on the fender. You will fix the scooter upright by flipping the clamp and securing it by turning the ring. Make sure you use the Allen key to tighten the lock. If it's the first time unfolding the scooter, or if you later feel the lock has become slightly loose. Above the lock, you will find the first charging port. Make sure to close the rubber cap well so that rain and dust cannot enter the port. Another great feature of the KIQ II is the swappable battery. Let me tell you more about it. In just 3% of the scooters currently on the market, the battery is located in the stem. This makes the KIQ II less prone to water damage and the footboard less likely to slam into your legs when lifting the scooter by the steer. The regular KIQ II comes with a 36-volt 5 Ah battery, whereas the KIQ II Pro comes with a 6.4 Ah Panasonic battery. This gives the regular KIQ II a range of 15 to 20 kilometers and the Pro a range of 20 up to 25 kilometers, depending on your weight and the speed. You will be able to purchase an extra battery if needed. Lift the display, push down the inner cap and turn to the left to unlock the battery. You can now lift out the battery. Make sure not to place the cap back when the battery isn't mounted. In case you do and the cap falls in, it can be a real hassle to get it out. Here, on the bottom of your battery, you will find another charging port. This makes it possible to charge your battery wherever you want, or even while cruising the street with a second one. Having two charged batteries with you will even double your range. To place the battery back in, please make sure the battery fits the slot correctly. Take the left and the right side into account and slowly lower it into place. Now, let's head outside so I can show you how to turn it on and how to start riding it. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on your KIQ scooter. The KIQ II has 3 driving modes, with speeds of respectively 5, 15 and 25 km an hour. However, this could differ depending on rules in your country. To toggle the speed modes, tap the option button once. To switch on the LED head and tail lights, double tap the option button. Another great feature of the KIQ II is the cruise control. After 5 seconds driving at a certain speed, you will hear a sound notifying you that the cruise control is activated. The scooter will now stick to the speed until you brake or accelerate. All you have to do to start riding is kick away and accelerate.